Hi YouTubers, how are you today? Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make smothered turkey wings. Smothered turkey wings, so easy and delicious. For all my new people out there, I've been reading your comments. You're young and you want to make you some turkey parts for the holiday. Let me show you how to do it, okay? I hope everyone is well today. This is easy and simple. I got my turkey parts from my butcher, so he kind of cleaned mine up, guys, but I went over it and I did cut off any of the things that I didn't want on there. If you see any feathers, you want to cut them off. Invest in you a pair of shears because they come in handy for the holiday if you're going to do a big dinner. All right guys, let's get straight into this video. We need onion powder, garlic powder, cream of chicken soup. This is Maggi, guys. You can use any kind of chicken bouillon cube, any one that you like to use. We got paprika, we got soul seasoning, black pepper, and we have chicken seasoning. If you got white pepper, it's even better, okay? You can use that. But this is what you want to do. Take at least a half a tablespoon of each one of these seasonings, and you can mix them all up, guys, and put them on your food to taste. You just may want salt and pepper. Use it with this recipe and it's going to work out. I cut up like an onion and a half in the back. That's going to be where I lay my onions on, like they call a bed, guys. You're going to put this on a bed of onions, okay? Let's get right to it. I'm using this big bowl to drop all of my turkey in so we can get it all seasoned up. Okay, so I'm gonna take them and put them in here. Just like this. I'm sharing today, guys. See, the butcher even took my wing part off, but I'll cook them. This is the leg of it, and that's the flat of it. So we got these here. I'm gonna do this like this, okay? Want to get you a little oil, olive oil, whichever oil you use, and get you some gloves. If you don't want to touch the meat, get you some gloves. Just squirt and make sure that each one of these turkey parts have oil on them, guys, okay? That's what you want. So that's going to make your seasonings stick to your oil. Okay, nobody wants a long drawn out video. Okay, guys, let's just take and get right to the point with these. See how nice they're oiled up? Okay, now this is what we're gonna do next. All right, guys, I'm switching my black pepper out and I'm gonna use my white pepper. Okay, so I want you to measure yours where you just take your stuff and you're gonna put a half a tablespoon of everything if you have this amount. If you don't have this amount, use a teaspoon, a half a teaspoon of everything. I got quite a bit of turkey here, guys, and I'm gonna season it really well. Okay. So we went in with our white pepper. I love chicken seasoning. They have them in every brand that you get. They usually have it. So we're going in with our chicken seasoning. Okay, and after you go in with your chicken seasoning, let's go in with a little soul food seasoning. Okay, we are going to use our cream of chicken soup. Okay, this is onion powder. And I got garlic salt here. So I didn't use any regular salt because I'm using the garlic salt. Okay. Now, after you get it all in there, you want to rub all your seasonings in and mix that turkey all around and massage each piece in, okay? That's what you want to do here. Just keep doing that until you see all your turkey at least covered with everything. Look how your turkey is looking. This is what you want. You put the oil on there and your seasonings are sticking. We're gonna go in with our onion and a half. If you want green peppers, red peppers, now is the time to do it. Now, we're gonna put that down like that. And we're gonna go in with our parts like this. Okay? You may not want the flats in there. You don't have to put them in there. I was gonna use my other one, but I have quite a bit of turkey here, guys. Okay. So you guys get the idea. Let's lay all of this flat into our pan. Okay, guys. Now, I got them all in there beautiful. You need some kind of chicken powder or bouillon cube. If you want to use chicken broth, do it, guys. Go for it. Get you about a teaspoon of this and put it off into about 2 cups of water and mix it in. Get you about a teaspoon of it. And pour it around the turkey, okay? Not on the turkey, around it. Just like that. That's 2 cups. And once you got your 2 cups in there, sprinkle you some across the top. This is about $2 and something at Walmart. It's about $2 and some change. After you put you about a heaping tablespoon of that on there, because your water is taken. Now you want to come in with your paprika for your coloring on your turkey wings. Last but not least, guys, get your cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, cream of celery. Now this is going to cream it up. This way you don't have to really put the flour and water on here unless you want it real thick. If the gravy is not thick enough for you, but you just want to get all that love out of that can and put it onto your turkey and smooth it out just like this. This is excellent for people who don't want to cook a turkey for Thanksgiving. Turkey wings are awesome. Okay, you're going to cover this 375, 400 on your oven. You know how your oven works. This is going to cook for 2 hours. We're going to check it, and you can go in the oven and check it in between those 2 hours. Okay, I'm going to cover this up and put it in the oven. All right, guys, look. Make sure you seal your foil up. If you got a roaster pan, use that. With a lid to it, that's what I should have used. I had one. But we're going to seal this up so tight that nothing gets out of the sides, okay? And then it's going in the oven, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back, and we're taking it out of the oven. Look at that. Okay. If the gravy is not thick enough for you, you can take and get a teaspoonful of flour and thicken up your cream of mushroom soup gravy. Okay? That's what it would take. Or you can get another can of cream of chicken and pour over this. Now it's your time to taste your broth. And if you're using a thermometer, you can stick your turkey and see if it's done with 360. If that thermometer reaches 360, your food thermometer, your turkey is ready. This is going back in the oven. I'm going to put some butter on the top of it, guys. And I'm going to open up my other can of cream of chicken soup. Okay? Okay, guys. Now remember, I'm cooking a lot of turkey here. You may only have 3 pieces, so you won't have to do what I'm doing. I'm not choosing to put the flour on here because one of the people that I'm feeding does not want flour. So I'm going to thicken my gravy with this cream of chicken soup, okay? You can also use less water. but I want lots of gravy because I'm going to be having mashed potatoes with this. So I want to be able to spread the love. All right, guys, back in the oven for another 55 minutes, and I'll be back. Guys, don't forget to put your butter on this round. If you're going to use butter, put it on this round right here. You maybe want to do like 3 or 4 teaspoons, depending on how much turkey you have, and then maybe a half a stick with this amount that I have, okay? You're just going to put that on top. How many of you have tried the Earth Balance butter? If you haven't, you tried it, put it down in my comments and let me know you tried it. I'm loving this butter. I like it better than the Kerrygold, guys. Okay, let's go. Put this back in and I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm gonna take this off. Now this is called Bone Delicious Love on a Turkey. Ooh, look at that. It's bone tender, guys. You don't have to let yours cook this long, guys. This is actually 3 hours and 15 minutes of cooking. Now I'm gonna serve some rice today, mashed potatoes, and I don't know what vegetable yet. But this is absolutely amazing turkey for a beginner who wants to make some turkey parts for the holidays. This is absolutely amazing, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna make a plate and get a thumbnail going here. Raina, can you go all the way into that so they can see it? All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment. I'm going to make an awesome little meal here. You guys have an awesome day. Hope you follow this recipe. Everyone have a great day. Voila! Bye-bye.